Tired of the back and forth of scheduling meetings? With Calendly, you can streamline your booking process and save valuable time. This powerful tool lets you effortlessly set up appointments that work for everyone involved. So you get better scheduling showers and a lot of productivity. Let's dive in and unlock the magic of Calendly. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Calendly.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Calendly.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Calendly is an online scheduling tool that makes booking meetings easy and efficient. It allows users to set their availability and share links or for others to choose convenient times with automated reminders and calendar integrations. It simplifies the scheduling process. Say goodbye to email back and forth and hello to hassle-free planning. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just click over sign up with Google. We can use the option of sign up with Microsoft and you get started. Or you can use here sign up free with email and you get started with this platform which is Calendly. Alright. So all I have to do right now is just click over sign up for free with email. So we have here free. So it's absolutely for free. Let's discover the pricing. So here we have the pricing, or you can just click over pricing to more understand. We have it for packages. You have just to pick the perfect plan for your team. For example, we have the first one, it's absolutely for free and it's for the individuals starting out with basic scheduling. So we have here always free and we have free features, a limited one-on-one meeting, we have one event type, connect one of your calendars, integrate video conferencing, customize your booking page, send confirmation email, embed scheduling on your site, mobile application, and browser extension. Alright. Then we have the standard one as you can see. We have here, we have to pay $10 per month to get started. You click over here and you have to read firstly the features. Alright. You have a limited event types, connect multiple calendars, HubSpot, MailChimp, we have integration, Stripe, PayPal integration, connect with Super, webhooks, and we have here Google Analytics, integration, schedule as a team, automate reminders, and more, customize calendar. Alright, then we have the third one, which is Teams, for teams who need advanced features such as reporting, meeting distribution, and automation. You have to pay $16 per month, and here we have try for free, or just to get started. Alright, then we have your send meetings to Salesforce, then we have share round robin meetings, qualify and route prospects, Marketo, Pardo, HubSpot, advanced admin features as well. So this is, you can just get started. When we have here enterprise, here the last one, you have to pay $15,000 per year, and we have here for teams who need more security, admin control support, and enterprise grade procurement. Right? You have just to select the one you want, and you click over get started here if you want the free one. I will show you how you can get started for free. Right? So you have just to come back and you use the option of Google or Microsoft, or you can just click over here to sign up with email. So we have, once you click over it, you will find this page as you can see. We have signed up for your Calendly account. You have to enter your email address and you click over sign up, then you get started and you'll find other page, which is this one. You have to enter your email address, your full name, then your password with at least 8 characters, and you click over continue and you'll find other page, which is this one. However, before continuing, we need to verify your email address. Please check your inbox for a confirmation link. Now, if you don't receive the email, you have just to click over send it to you to get started, and you click over the link that you received from Calendly, and then you'll find this page, what is the dashboard as you can see. So after creating your Calendly account, you have to start by setting up your availability preferences to send your days and times you are free for meetings. Next, you have just to create event types, specifying details like duration and location. Then you have just to show your unique Calendly link with others, allowing them to pick a time that works for both of you. Once a meeting is scheduled, Calendly automatically updates your calendar and sends confirmation emails, making a scheduling a breezy. Alright? So on the right, we'll find here how you can get started. We have here the first one, get to know Calendly first. Here we have get to know Calendly. Let Calendly make your scheduling a breezy with event types, streamline your workday by automating meeting preparation and workflow apps, integrating with your favorite tools, and much more. So we have just watched this video to understand. Then we have also here other thing, which is the perfect scheduling setup. You have just to customize and share your first event type. Then we have download Chrome extension. You have to get started by creating our most common event type. One, set your event details and connect your preferred video conferencing tool. Then we have also automate meeting preparation and follow-up. About this one, we have here improve your work routine with automated meeting communications tool and service integrations and a browser extension as well, with just to send reminders and follow-ups. Connect the tools you use every day to boost productivity. I've just watched this video to more understand again. Then we have the last one, which is using Calendly with a team. We have learned about the features your account users will have access to and the settings admins can use to improve scheduling for your organization. Of the first one, which is our templates. To start scheduling collaboratively, we have streamlined scheduling for the team. Then we have also managed secure settings for the team. All right. So this is how you can get started with Calendly. So in the dashboard, you'll find various things like here we have firstly event types. You can just select here event my Calendly that you want, and then you select here find event types, and here you can use the option of invite user. Then here we have also other options, and then here we have my link. You can just share it with your friends to get started. You have just to copy the link and you share it. Right now I will show you how you can create meeting. For example, let's select an event type. About this one, you have just to select, for example, if you want here one host with one invite, so let's discover it. Choose a host first, then you click over next, and you will find other page worksheets. This one you have to add your event name, the color, duration, location if it's Zoom, phone call, in-person meeting as well. Then we have here group one host with group of invites. So you can just click over next after choosing a host. Then you have to add the name and other things. Then you click over continue again. So this is the same with this one. You have just to add the information and you get started and to invite your friends. Then we have also here one of meeting, as you can see. About this one, you will find here a table, or you have just to select the time you think it's more comfortable for you and your friend, and you get started with this one also as well. Then also we have the last one, which is meeting pool. So this is the same thing. Then we have here other options such as event types, meetings, availability, contacts, workflows, integration application, routine. We have analytics, admin center, and help. So this is how it works with Calendly. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is for this video. So Calendly is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling process. By automating the booking of meetings, it saves you time and reduces the hassle of coordinating with others. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead, and see you again in the next video. I will just read other information about Calendly before getting started to more understand. From only in the calendly.com you can get your information.